Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be working on an 11 by 14 inch canvas, and I've got some leftover paints that I just am eager to use up. I've got black, get this to focus in, and yellow, pink, lime green, a little bit of viridian green, which is a blue green, a little bit of a light blue, a soft purple, throw in some orange, bright orange, so kind of a multicolored but more springy colored. Actually, I want to do one with black and one with white, so let me figure out what I'm going to do here. Maybe I'll layer it up and do 2 pours with both cups. And I'll use white and black. So these cups have been sitting a while. They have like a few weeks. They have OGX in them, and I've had to stir them again and add water. And some of the sticks have clumps that are dried on the stick. So that's okay. They still will sell up. So we'll start with white and black. And we'll just kind of, I think we'll go in a rainbow order. I'm just going to kind of try to layer it up a little bit. And this has OGX, so it's not gonna not sell up. Just a fun experiment with leftover paints. Again, this is 11 by 14 canvas. Just to see the difference between the same colors with black, the same colors with white. I'm kind of liking the one with the black better, actually. Of course, that green has taken over big time. Green and orange are always strong. I kind of wanted it on a diagonal, but we'll see. It just may get all stretched around, who knows. If I find a pattern that I like, you know, just go ahead and let it fall off. The black is definitely a more cool pattern. There's more contrast that gives it more oomph than the white with it. But we're just going to play. I like that design right there. This is not so exciting. So I like the purple there. If I can not mess that up, maybe green. Let's do the blue and some purple. And then add some black. There's a lot of paint right there. But I like that better, I think. Get the light reflection off. So to me, if there's an area you don't care for, you just keep working on it until you get it where you like it. This is too bland compared to everything else. So I'm just going to keep playing. Just stick my hand in it. I did plan it that way. I stuck my hand in it just to give it a random feel. I just wanted to add a pop of color over here of the orange and yellow and black that's kind of going on. Okay, so this is weird. It's not something I love, but I feel better about it than I did before. I just got to do some extra stuff though to get rid of some certain patterns and colors I don't care for. You just add the splash of color you want. Okay, I'm going to stop here. But I'm pretty content because it's got that little pop of black here and there. But I liked the tree ring with the black in it as opposed to the white, which was just way more washed out looking. But if you wanted a really pale pastel version, you could definitely do it that way. And I've got just a few corners that don't have any paint, so I'm just making sure that I have color, but not mud color. So there it is. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below the video. There's all kinds of great links like Amazon, PayPal if you'd like to make a donation, my Facebook group, which I would love for you to come over and join us there, and my new tutorial platform called Thinkific. There's a link below the video for that. If you want to learn how to paint with acrylics traditionally with a brush. I'm going to show you all kinds of fun paintings to do for $35 that you can purchase and have a lifetime access to in the comfort of your home. So I will see you on the next video. You have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.